Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank.
Alright.
Oh.
Now we got 2 planets to discover after all night.
Where should we go? I hear planet Pocotaro is very
We got
nice.
this planet, which is meet up with
Ready
the
to go knock on Drek's door?
Yep, meet up with the Galactic Rangers and
So again, we're probably gonna have to cut some shit out. Sorry.
and this planet Pocotaro, where it wasn't shown in one of the other episodes, but Grimm sent Ratchet a message saying his brother on this planet was in trouble and see if we could help him. So which one do you want to go to?
Let's go to the one that's not in the movie first.
Alright, let's go. Should be another gadget and maybe even another weapon here.
Oh, Lord knows there will be a weapon. There's almost one for every planet.
Yeah, there's...
Home base to Alpha Team. The
think there is.
time has come.
Yeah,
to
Hydroharvesters.
planet, the finest water supply in the galaxy. Initiate the Hydroharvesters and sap this planet dry. Copy that, German.
That's the reason why we came here.
Okay.
All harvesters and deploy ground teams. If anyone even gets close to those harvesters, ice them.
Oh.
Okay. Is he on vacation?
I'm guessing that's Grimm's brother.
Yep.
Pocataro's water supply was in trouble. If Ratchet and Clank failed
Ah,
to destroy
I didn't
Drek's
see that.
Hydroharvesters,
Bomb block.
this tropical
Oh, you're up to 80
paradise
health
would
now?
become
Yeah.
a desert wasteland.
Let's see. Oh, surprisingly, no. There isn't a new weapon.
Over here.
Huh? Oh, hey. What's that?
Well, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snagglebeast. Grimm told me he was friends with the Lombacks, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grimm asked us to help you destroy Drek's Hydroharvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship.
Sounds
Just
good
so
to me.
happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is
So
here
you're
for a
gonna be
comic book
flying?
convention, right? Follow me,
Sounds
I'll
like
take
it.
you to him.
What are those? Oh, because
Puffoids
they're...
have been coming ashore ever since the Blarg started attacking. Nasty little devils, but tasty if you know how to cook them.
Nice!
Alright, ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. You just gonna stand there?
It's a telepathopus.
Oh. Right.
Another one?
And now the screen's all blue.
This thing seems to have a few more powers. It looks different.
Yeah. But dance is the same.
Yep.
Oh my
One
gosh.
shot?
That was pretty good.
Wow.
Did my brother teach you to do that? Come on, my boat's this way.
Here, Zircon's only extracurricular activity is pay.
All right,
That
strap
thing is so
in.
cute.
I'm just kidding. This thing doesn't have any seatbelt. I
What's
actually
he
had a
shooting
lovely
at?
fishing trip planned
Oh,
before
the
these
fish.
hydroharvesters
Yep.
showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too.
Now you gotta protect him? Seriously?
I guess so.
God, I hate escort missions.
Well, I mean, it's super easy right now. Especially since these guys are really weak and I got the Omni Wrench upgraded.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing can fly.
Let's keep moving. Oh, boy, more puffoids. You two can handle this, right? I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand?
What the?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. I shall let you live, little alien.
I think you got them all. Come on.
That was easy.
Yeah.
You know, Zircon
Got
is
some ball. You got some boxes up there.
Where?
Other way. Right
Ah.
there. Oh, that thing has some power.
Cook some more. Enemy down.
Things like that.
Yep, ran out of shots. Still haven't upgraded him a lot.
Well,
You
you
haven't
look at
upgraded him all
that.
the way?
Over there's the Torgoff
Not with
waterfall.
Ratchet, no.
Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts
Really?
and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down on a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days.
Yeah, one of the optional objectives is to head to the... find a way to the top of the waterfall.
It's another telepathopus.
Really?
I didn't mean to throw that, but where?
I don't think that worked out in my favor. Nope.
Ah, crap. Wow, that does a lot of damage to him.
God, yeah, it does.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Wow, you're not too far off 100,000.
Nope, not at all.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
You know, Zircon is here.
So how's old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
And now you're a galactic ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy. What's that compared to a few proton scrubs? My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out.
Who his friend is.
No idea.
If it's tech upgrades, it's probably gonna be Al.
He did say he was coming here for a comic book convention.
Yeah. Box is back there.
Oh.
Ah, great. The bridge is out. These Blarg are really starting to cramp my fishing trip. Do me a favor and see if you can activate it from the other side.
There we go.
Thanks. Come on. It's not too far now.
Blarg.
Mr. Zircon is here to
Oh boy,
Dang
that's not
Blarg.
good. Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puff Boys are giving them a run for their money.
We won't be able to reach my friend until the ground troops are cleared out.
We're on it. Stay here and keep safe.
Alright, so how...
You know, Zircon is here.
Ah,
And you're at 101,000.
yep.
Come back! You forgot to activate the bridge control.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Forgot.
Oops.
I'm coming. Sorry, I'm a little out of shape.
A little.
Whoa, where'd those guys come from?
Those are the jetpacks that
Yep.
Nefarious made.
Look
Yeah.
over there, the Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any
Okay.
luck, my engineer friend will be there. The guys on my holo game forum call him Big Al.
Yep. That
Oh,
it
yeah,
is
yeah.
Big Al.
We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
going on out there?
Is it okay to come in now?
Trying to sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lexi Orion's Ain't No One Gonna Love Me. And you're ruining the moment.
Here I come! Good work. Okay, let's get inside. Hey, Al! Can you open up?
What's the secret password?
Oh, come on. Don't make me say it.
Well, your call. I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.
Oh dear God.
Hey, Al.
Hey, Ratchet, Clank! Small galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing? Yeah, she's good. Listen, we're here to help take out these Hydroharvesters. You think you could help us upgrade our onboard weapon system? Always happy to help the Galactic Rangers. How about a Tesla Blast weapon kit? It uses polarized electro-emitters to increase propulsion by 128.7%. Even a raritanium hull is no match for those babies. Sounds like exactly what we need. You lead the way. We'll cover you.
Now we gotta go back.
And you gotta cover 2 people?
Can we just take this thing straight to the ship? Wow.
I'm
Those things
starting
are
to
big.
get real tired of these Blarg. You know they showed up just as I was about to speak on a panel about everything wrong with comic book-based holo films. All the great bloggers were on it. Me, Stuart Thurgo, Obsidia Van Schmoot.
And Schmoot was there? Really? Oh, I love her. She hates everything.
There isn't a holo film, game, or online product launch she hasn't shredded in the comment section. You know, that kind of judgment takes real skill.
Oh, we really did take
We
a
have
ship
reached our
right.
destination.
Oh, thank God. I thought we were gonna have to do an escort.
Wait a second. Why couldn't we just take that ship right there? Why did we have to go
Oh,
a long
my God.
way?
Because video game rules.
Here we are. All right, let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system. Reinstalling weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
Oh,
Alright, guess we're taking out the harvesters now.
Waiting for? Take out those Hydroharvesters.
Remember, normal ammunition won't damage those Hydroharvesters. Use your Tesla rockets.
Alright.
Shoot down those Blarg saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
Alright.
alright. Control still inverted.
It's working.
Oh,
We're almost out of Tesla rockets.
crap. I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
Concentrate fire on those Blarg saucers.
Yep.
I love it when things go boom.
Ammo acquired.
Oh, good.
I think this is like Centipede. The closer the head you get, the more falls off.
Probably, so.
Nice shot.
Oh, yeah, A is how it used.
I'd collect as many rockets as you can before.
Oh, ammo. Thank you.
Oh boy, those saucers are about to attack.
Oh, whoa.
Do a barrel roll.
Do a barrel roll.
Ah, Star Fox jokes.
Restored.
Oh, I got full ammo. Where's it?
Into the head.
Yep. Get over here. Whoa.
All systems restored.
Yeah, I know all the systems are restored. I just need to get over. they replenish every time. Crap.
So you gotta take one out at a time.
Yep, that's one. One down.
One of the Galactic Rangers is on Poketaru. He's taking out our Hydroharvesters. Now you listen to me. I want that water. Failure is not an option. Destroy the Galactic Ranger, or I'll make sure the first person buried on our new planet is you! Yes, Chairman.
Chairman's not much of a nice guy.
No.
Yeah, one Hydroharvester left.
Alright.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
Alright, you got 4 shots.
And there's 4 harvesters.
Tesla rockets should be able to damage the hulls on those Hydroharvesters. Yeah! Give us back our water!
Just 2 more.
1, 2.
Got it.
That's all of them. Yeah! You two saved the resort, and probably the entire planet.
Splash down.
All in a day's
Nice.
work.
Alright.
Oh, that was simple.
Yep.
That was incredible! Hey, if you two need any more upgrades, I'm your guy. How about a new thruster pack?
Yes.
I just downloaded the holo plans last night and they are sweet.
That certainly sounds useful.
Recalibrating the avionics port, updating the software, updating, still updating, and presto! She's all ready for you. Technically, you need a Class B license to operate one of these beauties. But what the heck? You two are Galactic Rangers. It should help you access those pumping stations.
Okay, how do I use this thing? Oh, whoa!
Wow.
Security barrier disabled.
That's cool. I don't know, you
We can find our way into the pumping
into
station
those.
now.
You
Wow.
wanna just leave this here?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you everybody for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and why not subscribe? If you want to check out more great videos by Miko or want to get in touch with us on Facebook, check it out in the description below. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.